Hello parents and carers, my name is Logan, I'm a Year 10 student at EP. Today I'll be giving you a full introduction on Google Classroom. Firstly, we need to log on to the school system. To do this, you'll need to go to the school's website, epschool.org. To log in, you need to click login in the top right hand corner and log in with the school email and password provided to you. I've already logged onto the school site and in my Google, so you'll now see the school login pages. There you'll find the links to the apps available for students to use, including the Class Charts app. All homework is recorded on Class Charts for parents and students. For parents, Class Charts is your one-stop shop for all homework and behaviour points. Students can also access their timetables on their app. Today we'll be exploring Google Classroom. Each square presented on the screen is a virtual classroom for teachers and students to share resources, presentations and assignments, but also to submit homework if the teacher uses this option. Google Classroom displays each classroom with a separate square with its unique name showing of the year, the subject and the group you're in. I'm going to access one of my old classrooms from Year 9 so I can show you the full use of Google Classroom. There are 3 key points of Google Classroom: stream, classwork and people. The stream is what I used when I was during Year 9 lockdown, so students can log on to see any assignments, any links for Google Meet, or any comments or posts by the teacher or students. How about we check out the Classwork tab? The Classwork tab is where you'll have all your homework if the teacher uses this option, presentations and resources for a specific lesson. If I go into one, you'll see it has all the key ones. You'll see the homework in the top right hand corner. You'll see the teacher's comment. You'll see what the whole homework is. To add in homework, you'll need to click in the top right hand corner, add or create a tab or a file. Then once you've completed that, click submit. Once you've submitted the file, it is locked and the teacher becomes the owner of the file, so the teacher can mark it. Once that is complete, the owner of the file will change to you. While the file is locked, you cannot change anything on your school. You cannot change anything on the file. Google Classroom is all about the students. It's not about recording homework rather than workflow between teachers and students. If you have any questions about homework, it's best to email the class teacher. All email addresses are found on the website. If you go to About Our School and Staff, this is where you'll find all the teachers, all the school staff, or anyone you need to contact in the school. Thank you for your attention and have a great day.